Hi, I'm Ellen Bettridge, CEO of Uniworld, and I'm cooking again. I think my children, my daughters Grace and Abby, think I got a little too ambitious this time, but decided to try to make the bush beef pasty. It's a lot of work, but I think they're going to be incredible. So what you do is you first start off with your rump roast and your steak, and you cook it up with some onions, and then you've parboil some carrots and some potatoes, and then you bring it all together with with some beef broth and spices, and you get this beautiful dish right here. And then from there, you get to make the pasties. So I cheated a little bit, and I'm using the puff pastry sheets, and I've cut them into little circles using my little bowl here. And so you take the little thing and you kind of let this cool. My first round on this, I realized you got to let this cool first. But you take this beautiful mixture of vegetables and beef, and you bring it together. Take a little bit of some egg yolk and put on the edges there to help bring it together. And you kind of pinch it real tight. And this makes a lot, so full warning. I think this is actually going to be a great appetizer or something you could take to someone's home after COVID to share with your friends. It does make an amazing amount, but I think they're going to be really yummy. And so you bake them at 400 degrees, and they come out looking absolutely spectacular. Super psyched to try them. So now the finished product. They're absolutely beautiful. Probably not as pretty as Mrs. Tolman's, but I think I did a pretty good job for my first time. So looking forward to seeing you out there on your next Uniworld cruise. Thank you.